Imagine a place where it rains glass. Not peacefully. Sideways, at 5,000 miles per hour. That place exists. Its name is HD 189733b, and it's one of the most terrifying exoplanets ever found. This gas giant orbits its star so closely, its atmosphere burns at over 1700 F. The heat vaporizes minerals, and as they cool, they form glass shards which get caught in supersonic winds. Now picture that. Razor-sharp glass flying sideways faster than a bullet. It's not just a planet. It's a cosmic blender, wearing the mask of a sapphire blue jewel. Would you dare to visit?